last two questions. Number one, Manoj Parab claims that revolutionary Goans have successfully deleted almost 35,000 dubious voters from the electoral roll before the assembly election. He also claims that the number is as high as around 1.5 lakh, more 1.5 lakh. So the total number is close to 2 lakh voters, which is around 20% of Goa's total voting population. How serious do you think, Cleophas, is this problem?
If he says that he has successfully deleted 35,000 from the
Dubious
list,
voters, yeah.
full marks to him. I think that is what his group has to do throughout Goa.
Yeah.
According to him, I am giving him full credit for this. And if about 1 lakh voters of this nature are there, then maybe he has to work with the election commission, file appropriate applications, go ahead with his agenda, and take this to a logical conclusion.
Rather than you are saying
No,
rebel
see,
rousing against migrants, this will do a lot of good.
See, the whole problem is the anti-migrant stand, a very rabid anti-migrant stand, according to me, will do a lot of damage to our society and our polity. It will harm us.